Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm gonna do a couple videos in memory of a friend of mine that recently passed away. If you knew this guy, you would know that he deserves much more than this. He was one of my best friends early on. We played in our first bands together. We actually performed in our first gigs together, and we used to spend a lot of time together. The recipes I'm gonna do aren't anything crazy, but some of you might not have tried them before. The first time I ate these, I was at his house. It's a embedded memory of the first experiences with these foods. This video, I'm gonna do fried bologna and cheese. We had lunch at his house one day. I was never a mustard fan, and RB made fried bologna and cheese for me and put mustard on my sandwich. And honestly, from that point on, I've been an okay fan of mustard. But to me, mustard belongs on your fried bologna and cheese. If you don't know the proper way to cook fried bologna, there's one little trick to it, and I'm going to show you that. So, let's make some fried bologna and cheese. For the fried bologna and cheese, I keep saying fried. It's actually grilled. Grilled bologna and cheese. Maybe it's fried from the grease that comes off the bologna. I don't know. But for the fried bologna and cheese, we're going straight 80s with it. Wonder Bread white. Can't break from the norm. And my bologna has a first name. It's OSCAR. You remember that, right? If you were around back then. We're going straight 80s, not gonna break from the original. Let's make some fried bologna and cheese. Get your white bread, get one slice of bologna, one slice of whatever kind of cheese you like. I'm going OG with it, with cheddar, French's yellow mustard, some butter. Your Snoop Dogg wine is not required, but if you wanna be more sophisticated, go ahead and check it out. First thing you wanna do is butter your bread. The key trick to successful bologna, fried bologna, is 4 cuts around the edges of it. If you don't do that, you end up with a bologna bubble like this. Once you're ready, get your flat grill, heat it up to medium, slap your bologna on there. You can see your cuts starting to separate. And that's exactly what you want to see right there. You want to see the browning on the edges. About a minute after flipping it, go ahead and add your cheese. Let that start to melt. Get your bread ready. Go ahead and add a little mustard to it. Throw it down once cheese starts melting. And get your bologna and cheese on there. Like so. Not going for perfection. Top it off. Move it to the center. Check the bottom. See if we're getting toasted. It's perfect. Flip it. Check it again for proper toastiness, and we're done. Just like that. There you go. There's your bologna, fried bologna and cheese. Proper. Taste test. Tastes just like I remember it from the 80s. Guys, be good people. Be sure you love each other before it's too late. You never realize how much you miss somebody until they're gone. Guys, have a great day.